Hello everyone, this is Amir from Film History. Today I'll show you a cinematic color grading effect for portrait. This is really cool effect and I will provide the action download link in description. You just go through the link and just download it and use it. This is really pretty. Let's check how does it work with the portrait. If you install it, it will appear in your action section. You can have your action section just from here, or you can just check your action section here. It will appear in any place where you would like to add it. Just run the action. This is pretty cool. You can adjust the opacity as your requirement. Let's check the before and after effect. This is really awesome effect. We'll check with another image. Again we'll do the same process. We'll just run the action and we will adjust the opacity as our requirement. This is pretty cool effect for portrait and this is really cinematic. Let's check before and after effect. You can just download it and use it. This is really simple and easy to use. You have to save the final file as PNG file. Otherwise it will not look like the final result. It will may get darker or it will lose the color. So you better save the file as PNG file and later on you will convert it, or you can use it as your requirement format, JPEG or any other format. Stay with us for this kind of action or tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.